Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to refer your network to my channel so that YouTube pushes to high level of audience. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you something that will actually make you succeed in the aspect of psychology and risk management as a trader. So the topic is mathematical approach to proper risk and psychology management in Forex synthetic market. Now I'm gonna read this document and give you some illustrations so that you will not be losing money that you are not supposed to lose. Okay, once you have made 50 to 100% profit on your deposit, withdraw your deposit plus 30% of your profit. If you really know what you are doing, the same strategy, the same skill that help you to make a profit of 50 to 100%, you can still use it to grow the remaining 70% of your profit. Take for instance, you make a deposit of $500. This is your deposit, okay, and now you make an average profit of 75%, which is average of 50 to 100%. So you make 75% profit on $500. So I'm going to calculate so that you'll be able to know the profit. Pretty much this is $375. Okay, now this is the profit you have made. This is equals to $375. Okay, now this is an average profit based on my risk management, based on the profit management scale, 50 to 100%. So this is the average value, and this is $375. Now what you are going to do is you are going to withdraw your $500. Withdraw your $500, which is your deposit, plus 30% of $375. Now your deposit is like raw material. Your deposit is like your life. Okay, if you cannot be able to grow your 75, like if you are not able to grow the remaining 70%, okay, if you are not able to grow the remaining 70% of the profit you made, if you are not able to grow the 70%, it means that you don't know what you are doing. It means that your emotion and your psychology is compromised. We are lucky. You just trade by luck. But if you know what you are doing, you can still grow that 70% and use it and become financially free forever. Okay, so right now I'm doing the calculation. So we go back to the calculator, and then we are going to replace this with 30%, and then we are going to work on this 375, and then you see that we are going to withdraw $112.5. You are going to withdraw you are going to withdraw this is very, very crucial. So you are withdrawing this, okay, so you are withdrawing a total of $500 plus $102.5. okay, this is what you are going to withdraw, and then this will give us around, let's go to calculator and then add $500, and so we have this is $612.5, $612.5. You see, when you do this, it will build a psychology of importance that your deposit is more important than your profit. Your deposit is more important than your skill. Your deposit is actually what you can use to start another business. You have to assume that you are between life and death, that if you lose this money, if you lose your deposit, your profit is likely going to be lost anyway, because you have been programmed to be a loser. When you lose your deposit, you are losing everything. Okay, so you have to see yourself as if you are between life and death. That if you break certain boundaries, you are dead. So if you now decide to be a dead person doing such kind of stuff, that means you don't actually really want to, be in existence. Like you don't want to be you don't want to be a living trader. A loser in trading industry is a dead person, because you cannot be able to live happily. You cannot be able to live happily. You cannot be able to be, socially connected. You'll just be down, because money is more of life, and it's more of, it represents your energy. Okay, so you need to apply this strategy. So you can see that our capital for trading now, our trading capital, the trading capital becomes what? It becomes, it's just simple. It's just the total profit. The total profit is a kind of difference between the total profit. You're going to work this between the total profit and the deducted profit. That's this, and then we have this. So we have 375 minus 112.5, that is 262.5. 262.5. Now, if you know what you are doing, you made 75% profit. Okay, you made 75% profit if you know what you are doing. And let's assume you made this profit in a single trade or a couple of trades. If you know what you are doing, you can make such profit over and over and over again. Okay, so with the proper risk management, if you are risking 10% per trade, 10% per trade, like 10% per signal that you get, and your risk reward is at least 1:2, this remaining 70% of your profit, you can now grow it to certain amount. When you grow it to certain amount that is more than your deposited capital, what you do is you withdraw 50% of the overall equity, and then accelerate, and then you capitalize on steady growth. Instead of withdrawing, you reinvest your profit. Like, you don't withdraw your profit this time, then you keep trading. Don't lose 3 trades in a row. If you lose first trade and you lose second trade, don't lose the third trade. That's the rule of thumb. Now, with risk reward of 1:2, you can never blow your accounts. Okay, with this idea. So that's cool. Make sure you join our VIP. Make sure you enroll for my course. Make sure you become my mentee. Make sure you touch somebody's life, especially traders and new traders who don't know how to actually succeed in this kind of stuff, this kind of industry. Make sure you refer them to us. You get commission. You get very powerful paying commission deal. Okay, so that's cool. Thank you, and bye for now.